Vote number 50, Britt Penrose, Steve Clark.
Steve Michelucci.
Huh?
Michelucci. Who's Clark?
Know his name.
Who's Clark?
Check. Dumbass.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a ride. If you have never ridden in a boat like this Phoenix, get out in one soon. I tell you what, if you thought you had a heart problem and you lived through this ride, you know you're gonna be okay. This morning I'm out here with Britt Penrose and we are fishing the AOY, is that correct? The AOY Teams Championship? The what?
TOC.
The
Tournament Champions.
The Team Tournament Championship this morning. We just landed in our first spot. I'm gonna get up, start getting rods together, get some casts going. We gotta get some fish on board. Wish us luck. We'll see you in a little bit.